Every day you eat simple, you build strength where others chase comfort. I choose to eat the simple food. Not only does it taste good, but I really don't need anything else. And that's not disparaging upon anybody who uh, needs to eat a regular standard American diet. I have nothing against that. Matter of fact, I applaud that. But for me personally, um, I eat a very simple diet, and it does bring me comfort. Other people would see it as a restrictive diet. I do not. And I want to wish everybody a glorious Monday. We have a saying at the shop where I work at: Mondays are a hell of a way to spend a seventh of your life. But that's a funny way of saying that it's Monday. Welcome back to work. Hey guys, this is Captain Carnivore, Luke. Please like and subscribe, and we're gonna catch you on the next one. Take care.